Hello guys, I'm still here and let's show you some goodies I have received from some countries. Let's start from this Britool set. This is a Wobble socket extension set which I received from United Kingdom. Here are quarter sizes, half inch and 3/8 sizes. Let's put the socket system. Here you can see, and now I will be show you how they look and how they work. So quarter inch, half inch and 3/8. Here they are. Not every extension is made by Britool. This size was not complete and I have to buy this from Snap-on. Here you can see, this is my first tool from Snap-on. Very good build, 15 millimeters long Wobble extension, quarter inch bar from US tool manufacturer Snap-on. Let's move on. Here is the Britool. This is old school Britool which was made in England. Here you can see the part number SEW 100. 100 is the millimeters. This is 10 centimeters long Britool extension bar. And another extension is also made by Britool. This is longer version. This is 15 centimeters long. Here you can see all these extensions are brand new, but they are old. So, and always tools as I like to buy. Now I will show you the main differences which are here. Left is Snap-on and right is Britool. Here you can see that Wobble heads are slightly different. In my personal opinion, the Britool head is better, but I think so. This is my personal opinion, and I now show you what I mean. Here is Ullman, US made 14 millimeter quarter inch long socket, and let's put it on the extension, and you can see it wobbles very freely, but it does not fit securely. Here you can see what I mean. It does not need any effort to remove the socket from extension, and I think it is not very good, because when you work somewhere you can drop the socket very easily. Now let's put the socket on the Britool extension bar and see what happens. Here we are. First of all, I want to say that the Britool socket extensions have two options. If you put it tightly, then it will not wobble. Here now I will show you what I mean. Let's put on tightly, and here you can see you can use this as a regular extension, but if you try to remove it, but don't remove fully, here you can see this is a second option, and it wobbles freely, and you can use now it as a wobbling extension and work with fasteners in tight angles, and you can use this extension in such way. Now I will show you also on 15 centimeters long extension. Let's put the socket on it. Here it is. First step, put it securely and use it as a regular extension, and second step, put it on as a wobbling extension, and I use it with the angle, and it sits on the extension very securely, and it is impossible to remove it without any effort, and I think it is very good. Here you can see. So here are quarter-inch extensions. Two of them is English-made Britool and one is US-made Snap-on. Let's move on. Here you can see the beefy ones. These are half-inch extensions. This is 12.5 centimeters long extension. Very good made, very solid. Extension bar. Let's put the master mechanic, also ISCO, US made 21mm long socket on it, and see what happens. It needs effort to put it on, and here you can see step 1, regular extension. I mean this type of extensions, and it does not wobble, so you can use it as a regular extension once again, and if you want to wobbling, you simply do this, and here the socket wobbles, and you can use this type of extension. Very secure fit and very solid fit. And the story will be the same with these two ones. This is 75mm long extension, also half-inch. And the smallest one, this is 50 millimeters long. Excuse me. And the story will be the same, which I also showed you, but for you I will now once again put this socket on the 12.5 centimeters, excuse me, 75 millimeter extension, and show you what happens. The secure fit and the wobbling fit. And now let's see the 3/8. This is 15 centimeters long version, and this is a Britool, also England made socket. Let's put the Britools together and see what happens. I think the result must be the best. Here we are, secure fit, straightly, and the wobbling fit. So we are ready to use it as a wobble extension and use it what for is made also. Very good wobbling, secure fit and solid fit on your hand. Sorry, it is difficult to work with one hand, but I'm trying. Next one is 10 centimeters long, and the smallest 3/8 is 75 millimeters long. Here the fit, how I like these tools. very much, very good tools, and the wobbling option of it is simply perfect. So guys, here are my new extensions, and they are very good for the price I gave for them. Let's move on Now I must show you the socket rail, which is made by Ullman. It is US made socket rail. This is 1/4 inch sockets for 1/4 inch sockets, and you can fit 16 sockets on it. This is very long, so you can cut it on half and you will get 2 rails. I have done such on my tools and I will show you now what I have done. Here we are, all the sockets which I have and which are 1/2 inch sizes. In the complex was the rail for 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch. I have already used 1/2 inch and 3/8, and 1/4 inch is now on my garage and it is waiting for the new sockets. So now I will show you also some new sockets I have added to my collection. This is 20 millimeters Ilora West German made socket, which is 1/2 inch, very good quality, best quality from England. This is an OS type tool, new old stock. Also 25 millimeter socket made by Matador, also German made socket. This came me from Wales. These are socket sizes which is not included in my Proxon 1/2 inch socket set, so very rare sizes, and I have to buy them separately, and they did not cost very cheap, they cost expensive. And the last one which I must show you, this is my favorite Heiko West German made socket, 29 millimeters, also 1/2 inch, simply perfect finish, and I don't know how they made the tools like this. So guys, this is my sets: wobbling sockets, 1/2 inch Allen US made sockets, 3/8 long type Britool, shallow sockets made by some different manufacturers, and 1/2 inch long sockets made by Gedor, Williams, Cobalt, Master Mechanic and other manufacturers. All of them are very quality tools. I don't buy the tools which are not have no quality. And also here are my Halfords advanced torques, e-torques and regular torques, which I have put on 3/8 rail, which I cut, and I have 2 pieces now on in my garage. And then the list I want to show you guys, this is my dream, which I have about 2 years, and I was thinking which one to buy. I had idea to buy some headset, but it cost very much and I cannot afford the headset right now, so I decided to go in my local dealership and get this Wurth breaker bar. This is 490 millimeters long breaker bar, which is made by Wurth. Here you can see the zebra and part number markings. This is 1/2 inch breaker bar, very solid and very good finished and made breaker bar. It does not say the Germany, but the finish is simply awesome and perfect. Here you can see how the head moves very securely and tight. The structure of it is very good. I am happy with my decision to buy this Wurth breaker bar. The length is also the perfect, and you can use it anywhere you want. So let's put the Master Mechanic 21 millimeters long socket on it. Here we are, and here is the final result. So very good quality, and recommend to everyone. Now you can find them on eBay there with good price, and Wurth tools have very good quality. Even if they are not made in Germany, they have the best quality, I can say it. So guys, here are my new tools. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Looking for 1,000 subscribers. Many videos and interesting stuff will come soon. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.